Hello guys, I just want to talk a bit about calligraphy. I've been doing it since from I was 18 or a little bit younger. No, I did it for my GCSEs for at school, year 6. My talking's a bit slow today because I've got a bit of cold, but I've been doing a bit of calligraphy. I was focusing on like the L's. It's a really good tab this is. It's the light. It's like, I like this pen because well, it is a calligraphy pen. I'm on my tablet at the moment, so at the moment I'm looking for what thickness I want it. But yeah, it's good because with this it does it. You just have to know how to do calligraphy. Now, like, there's always a way to open, but if you want to learn about calligraphy, just message me. I do affirmation cards, angel card messages, flickbook. I've done a family tree, but that was a long time ago. What else? I write out poems. I'm more better with like affirmations, a few words, because this is just a practice. If I did it properly, I would do lines, my own lines, and do a title and then a sentence, or not even a sentence, just the quote itself. Yeah, I thought that I'd come and show this. You might not see me because it's a bit dark in here. I need to get a new light, like a softbox light. I'll probably get that after Christmas or something, but for the moment this is what I've been doing. I like all different words, but in Old English writing or calligraphy, block lettering it's called, I think. Well, I should know. Yeah, it's called black lettering, Gothic lettering, Old English. But yeah, I thought I'll just come on, show myself, and tell you what I'm all about, and just seeing random content of mine. I don't do this much because I don't know, I'm not very a sociable person, let's say, but I need to start becoming sociable. I like artistic people and like getting ideas and collaborating. if it's calligraphy or something creative like in the fashion, I can do a bit of crochet. So yeah, it's all helpful. It is all helpful at the end of the day. I thought that I'll show it and share what I've got and what I'm about. But yeah, you're welcome to write on my no, not letting me speak today. You're welcome to write on my community page. I've got a few. One's on Facebook, but I don't really use that much. I've started using my YouTube one, and I'm on Reddit, but I don't really use that. I'm trying to stay away from Facebook because, yeah, not really much interaction. I do a lot of reels and shorts. I'm not very much for like long explanations or, yeah, but I'm learning like everyone. I'm learning, but I want to help give people the skills like this so they can just, like probably put into their art and stuff. I'm not the best calligrapher, like there's awesome ones out there, but I know the basics. But that's where it starts, the basics and practicing. Anyway, I am Mystic Yarny Boy. My handles is Yarns DIY 101, and my other social medias are all linked below anyway. I'll just link them below if you want anything. So yeah, thank you for listening or watching. I know you can't really see me, but probably next time you'll see more of me if I get more interaction on YouTube. That's why I don't really do much on YouTube, because no one really interacts with me, with all of everyone else to do, but I don't know. I think I'm a bit aloof sometimes, and I can come out with random quotes or prayers, which it's not harming anyone, is it? But yeah, I'm keeping saying that I'm going, then I have something else to say, but I'm going to stop now, and you'll probably see my next one. I can do face and palm readings too, but that's all in person, not online. I don't really like to do things online, like spiritual things like that. There's a lot of, like fakery as it is, and I don't want to bring more fakery. I'm more not like a traditional person. Like I have to be in your environment to get to know your vibe, but I don't want to fake it and be online and say I'm feeling your energy when I'm not. To me that's lying, and yeah, and I don't make money from it. Everything what I do I don't make money from, it's all a hobby. But it's been 10 minutes anyway, I've been talking for. Hope my page interests you, and I thought that I'd share a bit of, yeah, what I'm about and what I can do, what skills I've been learning. But it's mainly calligraphy and crochet and breath work. But anyway, thank you for listening.